Hello everyone, I am Jala. For most students, English grammar is not important. They don't want to learn it, so they want only to speak English. But knowing English grammar rules can help you with speaking English. Today I'm gonna speak about interrogative sentences. We have 4 types of interrogative sentences. I'm gonna speak about only 2 of them. So let's begin. Let's learn about general questions, or we can call it yes/no questions. Do you enjoy traveling? Must you go now? Did you go to work? All of these sentences are general questions. So the structure is: first comes auxiliary verb or modal verb. Second, a subject plus a notional verb, the main verb. When we say, do you enjoy traveling? Here, do is an auxiliary verb, you is the subject, enjoy is a main verb, a notional verb. For present simple, we use the auxiliary verb do and does in the third person singular. For example, do I enjoy? Do you enjoy? Does she, he, or it enjoy? Do we enjoy? Do they enjoy? For past simple, we use the auxiliary verb did for all persons. Did I go? Did you go? Did she, he, it go? Did we go? Did they go? For example, she studied abroad. In question, did she study abroad? We don't use the suffix ed in question. We don't say, did she studied abroad? We say, did she study abroad? He broke his leg. Let's give a question. Did he break his leg? So we don't say, did he broke his leg? Broke is the past form of break. In question, when we use did, we don't use broke. We use break, the infinitive form. I asked my teacher. Did you ask your teacher? We bought a new house. Did we buy a new house? For future simple, we use the auxiliary verb will for all persons. Will I go? Will you go? Will she, he, it go? Will we go? Will you go? Will they go? Will you do your housework tomorrow? Will we learn English soon? We can give positive or negative answers. We can say, yes, I do, yes, she does, or no, I don't, no, she doesn't, no, he doesn't, yes, we do, no, we don't. Do they go? Yes, they do, no, they don't. Does she like swimming? Yes, she does, no, she doesn't. Does he like traveling? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Did he watch a movie? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Did they learn English? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Will you learn English? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Will she learn English? Yes, she will. No, she won't. For present continuous, we use the auxiliary verbs am, is, are. Am I going? Are you going? Is she going? Are you going now? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is she going now? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they going now? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. For past continuous, we use the auxiliary verbs was, were. Was she going? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Were they going? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. We can also use modal verbs instead of auxiliary verbs in question for making general questions. So we say, she must go. In question, must she go? We can do something. Can we do anything? They should go. Should they go? As you see, must, can, should, these modal verbs come first at the beginning of the sentence. May I come in? Yes, you may. Must I learn these grammar rules? Yes, you must. No, you mustn't. If we want to ask special questions or WH questions, we use question words or question pronouns. Question words replace the words that we want to ask. The structure is question words plus auxiliary verbs or modal verbs plus subjects plus verbs, notional verb. We say, where do you live? Here, where is a question word, do is an auxiliary verb, you is a subject, live is a notional verb. For special questions, we give specific answers. Where do you work? I work in a bank. Where does she go? She goes to work. Why did she leave? Because she was sick. How do you learn English? I practice a lot. Maybe you don't need grammar rules, and you think that you can learn English without learning grammar rules. But knowing specific grammar rules can encourage you, can help you with speaking English fearlessly and confidently. And keep on learning English with me. You can write your opinions, you can write your questions in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!